First impressions, I'm not impressed. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. My name is Maria, or it's MJ here on YouTube. So in today's video, I have a little fast video, impromptu sort of video. I wanted to open up these boxes for so long and I haven't had the time to do a first impressions, and I love these type of videos. And yeah, so today I'm in a little different background. I'm in my couch and I'm literally working, but I just stopped for a few seconds. I have my ring light up. I just didn't want to put on the makeup and all. No, I wanted to just keep it simple and just open up some little goodies that I have. And I've been holding off this video because I don't have the time to record it, and the time that I did have to record, I had to do those tags. So essentially I was like, you know what, it's never gonna get done, and I just need to smell my perfumes already, especially one that I was so excited to get. And I'm just gonna open them up with you guys on camera. I don't even have my nails done. Last night I started to do them and I was so tired, and I was like, and I just filed them, cleaned them, and I added a clear polish. But let's get started in today's video. Let's open up stuff. I'm gonna start off by showing you guys the package. As you guys can see, I have not opened up any of them, and I'm just gonna speed up this opening real quick. Actually, should I get a knife? I'm gonna get a knife. I'm so excited. I don't even know what this is. Oh, this package that I just opened up is some sunglasses that a company sent to me. Oh my gosh, I was like, why did it wear so many perfumes in one? But it's like the blue light glasses. I'm gonna show it to you guys real quick, but you know, this video is not about glasses. I'm gonna do like a full-on video on these glasses. My gosh, they're cute though. They look like so. I'm just gonna put them up. All right, let's move on to the next package. It's so funny. I was like, why is there so many perfumes in one box? Like, what the heck did I order? All right, so this is the Alien Eau Sublime, the EDT version. I was very excited for this. I got this off Mercari. I'm gonna put pricing on screen because I really don't remember. And this is how it looks. I'm sure you guys know how it looks, but that's the bottle. It's beautiful. It's my favorite. I'm so scared. Okay, all right. It's my favorite bottle out of the Aliens. I think it's beautiful and it's super chic. So let's try this. All right, so I'm gonna spray it into the box. I was gonna get like tissue paper, but I'm gonna spray it into the box because Anna and this other girl that I saw spray it into the box, and I think that makes more sense. So okay. Let me calm down. Oh, I just got the whiff of it. Okay. Oh my god, it's literally what I wanted. Okay. This is gonna be my scent of the day for sure. This is gonna be my scent of the day. Oh, I love it. I love it. Wow. Full-on review coming soon. Yes. Yes. Literally what I wanted this to smell like is what it smells like. I can smell it. Wow. Wow. Okay. Citrusy version of Alien. Like a lighter version of Alien. But wow. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna be testing it out and I'll be doing a full-on review. So excited. Okay, great, amazing. All right, let's move on before I get stuck on that one forever. I don't even think I mentioned it. Alien Thierry Mugler Eau Sublime. All right, next one is not sure what it is, but we'll find out. I like it when people wrap it up so nicely, but at the same time I'm just like, you know, like I just need to get it already. Wow, like they really wrapped it up. Like, okay, let's see. This is, well, I don't know what it is because it's not telling me. All right, that's out of the way. Now the box is even more secured. Oh, this is the Jimmy Choo Illicit. Let's see, they wrapped it up even more securely. So shout out to you, because there's no box, so got it for a really good deal. So let's see. So since this one came in no box, I'm gonna be spraying it into the eyeglass box. It's eyeglass or eyeglasses? Sunglasses, eyeglasses, whatever. All right, let's spray it on today's bad boy. Kind of smells like the Jimmy Choo. This one has no patchouli though. Pretty bottle though. Let's see. Wow, great sprayer. Let's see if you guys could see it. It smells like the Jimmy Choo one. The Jimmy Choo by Jimmy Choo. It's not bad. It just has that DNA that I'm recognizing from the Jimmy Choo one by Jimmy Choo that I'm not the biggest fan of. So, I don't know how I feel about it. I guess I'll be testing it out and I'll tell you guys about it. From the top of my head, I remember that it had honey, amber, and ginger. So I'll be testing it out and I'll keep you guys updated. First impressions, I'm not impressed. It reminds me of the Jimmy Choo fragrance by Jimmy Choo. So I don't know. Pretty bottle though, and I'm not too mad because I did get it at a crazy good deal. So let's move on. Yeah, I'm missing the La Vie Belle Intense. Where did I put it? I don't know. Okay, I have more perfumes coming up, by the way, because I have been shopping. I haven't been shopping throughout the whole quarantine stuff going on, but I rewarded myself because I just closed a deal. So I'll be mentioning the La Vie Belle Intense in the next video that I have coming up because I don't know where it is. Right, so this is Casablanca from Swiss Arabian. I found out about this company about 2 years ago when I was like looking up perfumes on Amazon. I used to do Amazon videos. I don't think I have them up anymore. I think I only have like 1 or 2 up. But I had this video idea like 2 years ago where I wanted to do like perfumes from Amazon. I didn't even know that was a thing. And I found Swiss Arabian on there. I never bought them. And now it's like a trend, it seems, that everyone's buying like Swiss Arabian perfumes. And it intrigued me even more. Everyone was talking about Shagaf Oud. I didn't buy that one. I will later, like during the fall, winter-ish time, but I'm not really in the mood for it at the moment. So I wanted one that was a little bit more gourmandish, and I came across Casablanca, which is like a gourmand, but it's like a fresh gourmand, if I'm not mistaken. So I think it has like apples, grapes, caramel, you know, it sounds good, juicy, whatever. So I got it. So I told my friends about it, and apparently it's actually a thing on YouTube that everyone's buying. And so let's see if the hype is real. I can't smell it off the bottle, or cap, should I say. All right, let's see. Can't really smell it on the box. Let me spray it on myself. Wow, that's a really good little sprayer thingamajigger. Look. Wow. Wow. You know what? Wow. Wow. Okay. 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 Let me spray it again. Just because I didn't get it the first time, apparently. Okay. All right, I like this. It's a little bit different than what I expected. Mind you, this is my first impressions, but first impressions, that first initial spray reminds me of what I wanted the Vanilla 28 from Kayali to smell like. It has this caramel sugar, like brown sugar vibe to it. It's pretty good. Now I'm gonna test it on my skin because I expected something a little bit more thick, more caramel, more dense. And on my skin, it's a little light, like an airy light. It's interesting. Very, very interested in this. Now I did read on Fragrantica that it thickens up and it gets more syrupy, more sweet. So that's very interesting. So I'm very interested in testing this out. Did I spray? Yeah, I did. I sprayed sublime. I was so excited when I got it, and like it smelled just like what I wanted it to smell like, so I sprayed that on. So I'm gonna be testing this out either tonight or tomorrow. But wow, okay, I'm not mad. I'll say that, I'm not mad. I was also interested in the Florence, so we'll see about this one. So that's my little short mini haul. I have a lot more, I just can't find them, and some haven't arrived here yet, and it sucks. I really wanted to open up the Le Viebel Intense, the one that I've actually had the longest, and it's been over a month at this point that I received it, and I haven't opened it up yet. So I have some other stuff coming up, so I'll do another first impression and I'll include that one. So that's about it for today's video. It's a short one. If you guys are not subscribed already, subscribe if you enjoy this content and you want to see more, and give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoy the video, of course. And with that being said, as always, I hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day. Stay safe, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Bye guys. That was like, I'm here like all the way, I'm like bye guys. Usually I'm a lot closer, so it's like, all right, bye.